there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a jar of honey. So, I'm using my black marker to draw the jar of honey. So here's a roll which is used to tie the jar of honey, and now I'm drawing a honey dipper. My drawing is done. Let's do the coloring. I'm using pale orange color to color the honey dipper. And now I'm using orange so that it seems like there's some honey on the honey dipper. Now I will use a mustard color. Pale orange again. And now mustard color again. And now I'm using a sweet pale color to draw its cover. And I'm using mustard color to color the rope. Here are some drops of honey. And my drawing is done. This is how you can draw a jar of honey within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.